Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to charge Samsung Galaxy A06. So here is my phone, Galaxy A06, and here I have the original box with the charging cable from the box. And this is a USB Type-C cable at both sides. And here I have two power adapters. Both are original from Samsung. The first one is 15 watts power adapter with USB Type-C and the second one is 25 watts power adapter, also with USB Type-C. And here I have a little tool, a tester, and with this one I will measure the real power from these two power adapters. Also, I need to tell you that the maximum power supported by this phone is 25 watts and the fast charging is enabled on this phone right now. Now let's test the first one. First I will connect this tester and I will plug it in. And now I will connect the charging cable. And I will connect the phone right now. Okay, and it's charging, and now let's see the real power, and we have 13 watts. Okay, and now let's go to my phone, to settings, and here I have battery. And we have 1 hour and 41 minutes until it's full. Okay. Now let's test the second one. So I will plug it in the 25 watts power adapter. Okay. And now let's connect the phone. Is charging. Okay, and now let's see the real power, and we have 14, 15, 16, it's rising, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 watts. I hope you see it. So we have 23, 24 watts. Okay. And again, let's go to settings, to battery, and we have 1 hour and 21 minutes until it's full. Now let's see if we disable the fast charging. For that I will go to charging settings, and here we have fast charging. I will disable this feature and I will go back. And now we have 2 hours and 12 minutes. And the real power now it's almost 6 watts. Okay, so in my opinion it's better with fast charging enabled. I will activate the fast charging. Okay, and now let's go back, and we have 1 hour and 21 minutes, and the power is rising. We have 14, 15, 16, and it's going to 20, 21, 22, 23 watts. Okay, so both power adapters are a good choice in my opinion. The 25 watts it's a better choice if you want to charge your phone faster, but the 15 watts is cheaper than the 25 watts. I will put links with these two power adapters in the video description and also in the comment area if you want to buy it. And also I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.